Every Wednesday, we meet for a live stream called Talkin RV Tech. It's presented by rvtravel.com.
We not only answer technical questions, but we also share what we like to call cool tools. These are tools and gadgets that we actually use. We also believe they will be very helpful to you. Check out one of our latest shares.
Okay, so this one here is a pocket hole jig. Kreg is one of the main manufacturers. There's other people that make them too. They're designed for for people that are more handy anyways, when you're doing style pieces, things like that. This is how they put them all together. So that way, if you have some water damage, you have something along that lines where they get ruined and, hey, I'm going to order them. A lot of times you get lucky and the manufacturers will send them with the holes already pre-drilled. But
sometimes they don't.
Yeah, sometimes they don't. And you get lucky with something like this that allows you to do it. And I mean, for people that modify and put cabinets in or put shelves in or things like that, this allows you to not have to drill right through the face.
Yep. Well, and let me just expand on that a little bit, because that also brings up a good point when you're looking at RVs about the manufacturing style. You know, that when you call style, it's style and rail is where it is countersunk screws versus just butting up two pieces of pine and stapling it. You see a lot of the cheaper RVs out there stapled in the framework. So that's what you're doing with that one. If you are interested in learning more about this cool tool, please see the YouTube description box for more information.
And more importantly, consider joining us live this coming Wednesday at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time for Talkin RV Tech.
You can join us on any of the YouTube or Facebook destinations linked below. We hope to see you there.